everyone, for today's video, we are here to discuss the Module 18 of Math 152, Mathematics in the Modern World, which is about computing simple interest and maturity value. The learning objectives are 1. To solve simple interest problems. 2. To compute the maturity value of a simple interest. Simple interest. Simple interest is an interest computed on the amount the borrower received at the time the loan is obtained and is added to the amount when the loan becomes due. The simple interest is computed only once for the entire period of the loan. Calculating simple interest is an essential skill for anyone who maintains a bank account, carries a credit card balance, or applies for a loan. This can be computed using the formula I is equal to P multiplied by R and multiplied by T. I stands for interest, P stands for principal, R stands for rate of the interest, and T is annual time period. When time is given in months, T is equal to number of months, the actual time, divided into 12. And when in days, T is equal to the number of days divided into 360. So, ang problem natin is how much interest is charged when 50,000 is borrowed for 9 months at an annual sample interest rate of 10%. So, ang hinahanap natin is yung interest. So, ang formula natin to find that is I is equal to PRT. So, I is equal to interest, P is equal to principal, R is equal to interest rate, and T is for time. So, first kunin natin ang given. So, principal is equal to 50,000. And time is 9 months. So, ang nakalagay dito is annual. Meaning to say, in 1 year, we have 12 months. So, 9 over 12. And the last one is R, the interest rate, which is 10%. Convert natin siya into decimal. So, 0.10. So, apply na natin ang formula. I, PRT. So, I, interest equals to 50,000 multiplied by 0.10 ang interest rate natin. Next is time, which is 9 over 12. So, unahin natin ang dulo, which is yung fraction kapag tayo ay magmumultiply. So, ang sagot dito is, multiply natin silang lahat. 50,000 multiplied by 0.10 multiplied by 9 over 12. So, ang sagot natin, ang interest natin is 3,750. So, ito na yung interest. So, next problem, Shirley got 1,200 pesos loan for 2 years. She paid 90 pesos in interest. What was the interest rate? So, dito, may given tayo na principal, time, and interest. So, ang nawawala ngayon is si interest rate. So, ang principal natin is 1,2. Time is 2 years. Interest natin is 90. So, ang formula natin sa simple interest is I is equal to P RT. So, dito, ko-convert lang natin siya sa interest rate. So, dito, i-divide lang natin siya sa P and T magkabilaan. So, cancel natin. So, ang natira is R is equal to I over PT. So, pwede na nating makuha ang interest rate. So, R is equal to I, which is 90. Divided into principal, which is 1,2 multiplied by time, 2 years. So, multiply natin ang 1,2 sa 2. So, ang sagot natin dito is 90 over 2, 4. So, ngayon, yung 90 divide natin sa 2, 4. So, ang sagot natin is 0.375. So, dahil nga ito ay decimal, kung i-convert natin siya sa percent dahil ang hinahanap natin ay interest rate. So, multiply lang natin siya sa 100. So, 0.375 multiplied by 100 is 3.75%. So, ang ating sagot dito sa problem na to, ang hinahanap ay interest rate is 3.75.
Maturity value. Maturity value is the amount to be paid on the due date of a loan or the amount to be paid to an investor at the end of the period for which an investment has been made. So the maturity value of a loan is the sum of the principal plus the interest. The formula that to calculate the total amount of the maturity value is F is equals P plus I, whereas F is the maturity value, P is the principal, and I is the interest.
So, ang problem natin is find the future value of 86,000 at 8% simple interest for 3 years. So, ang hinahanap natin ngayon sa problem na to is future value or the maturity value. So, ang formula natin is F equals to P plus I, where P is 86,000 and I is missing. So, kailangan muna nating hanapin ang interest. So, ang formula natin dito is I equals to PRT. So, P is 86,000. Multiply natin siya sa interest rate, which is 8%. So, i-convert lang natin to into decimal. So, 0.08. And multiply natin sa time, which is 3 years. So, ang sagot is 20,640. So, dahil nahanap na natin ng interest, pwede na natin kunin ang future value. So, meron na tayong P at I. So, ito. F equals to P, which is 86,000, plus I, which is 20,640. So, add lang natin silang dalawa. So, F equals to 106,640. So, nakuha na natin ang future value Ito na ang sagot. 106,640.
Sample of maturity value. So here's an example of maturity value. Find the maturity value if 1 million pesos is deposited in a bank at an annual simple interest rate of 0.25% after 5 years. So ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap natin dito is maturity value. So, ang formula to find that is F, or the maturity value, equals P, which is the principal, multiplied by 1, plus R, which is rate, and T, which is time. So, next na gagawin is, hanapin muna natin yung mga given. So, ano nga ba yung mga given natin? We have 1 million pesos, which is the principal. And rate, which is 0.25%. And time, which is 5 years. So, since naka-percent yung rate natin, gagawin natin siyang decimal, which is magiging 0.0025. So, meron na tayong given. Next is, i-apply na natin yung formula. So, F is equal to P, which is the 1 million. Multiplied by 1 plus rate, or 0.0025, multiplied by time, which is 5. So 1 million multiplied by 1 plus 0.0025 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1,012,500. So, this is the maturity value after 5 years.
And that's our video ends. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching.